Today we bring you a demonstration video of an issue that produces changes by editing containers in different states. First we select Screen 1. Take the plugin assembled for Screen 1. Deploy it to the second screen. Make all components invisible. After that we select the first container. Add a state to the container in turn. Make activation adjustments. Finally, in this state, we add a container. Set the container size. Set his background color. Centering. In this container we insert a container. Set the container size. Adjust its background color. Then insert a text box. Change the font size and color of the text. Select this text. We add a general model variable. Make a copy. Then arrange it by stacking. Then we add a normal model variable to this container. Make a copy. Also align it by stacking it in this way. Then select this text box. We'll add a 2D model variable to it. Double-click to add it. Enter the text that you want to enter. We speed up the skip. Click on Apply. Select the text. Select one of them. 19. Here we add a container. Resize the container. Add a rounded corner. In this container we insert a text box. First enter the text. Adjust the color of the text to blue. Center it. Then we add a container to this container. Adjust the color of this container. Change the size. Add rounded corners. Adjust the position of this container. Then we add another container on top of this container. Add a background color. Center it. In this container we add a text box. Select the text box. Export the font size, change the color to white, add another 50% opacity. We add a normal model variable. By stacking, we adjust to this position. Do a centering. Select this text. We add a one-dimensional variable. Double-click to add. Enter text. Center the text. Enter the text. After that we add a status. Make it invisible. Same operation. After that we click on this button. We add an interaction. Click on the state swap. Add. Target selection. Add 4 interactions in a row. Preview. Adjust a little according to the speed. Preview view. Today we bring you the second part of the application build. By editing the state of the container in the previous top part and adding the interaction, we realize that clicking the drop-down option button will bring a visual change in the interface. Thanks for watching. See you next time.